Hey everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing. This will be my last unboxing for 2023, and it is the Fairyloot Adult and YA book-only subscription combo. I don't remember what the themes were. They're coming up in the captions, and we'll go ahead and get this buddy open here. Of course, there'll be spoiler cards in here, which will tell me what the themes are also. Can't believe this is the last one of the year. Went by fast. Got the books inside here, and their usual little sleeves. Hopefully these arrived in good condition. We can end the year on a high note with that. Alright, put one aside, and we'll start with whatever this one is. Oh, I can already tell you from quickly opening it up that the dust jacket is pretty rumpled up, so that's not a good sign. Really wish they would try to do something to prevent that from happening. Alright, let's see what we've got here. Well, this one didn't appear to come with a spoiler card unless I left it in the... Oh, it's in the bag. Okay. Alright, we're off to a rough start here. Here we go. Here's the spoiler card, and I think this is going to end up being the YA book. Yes, this is the YA book, and we'll review this card at the end. And we have a nice little character art print here. And there's an author letter on the back. I'll pull this up so you can pause the screen to read it if you like. And the book is What the River Knows. I think this is a redesigned cover. Of course, the spoiler card, oh, this way, will tell us that once we review it at the end. And here's the back. We've got a nice salmon-y pink colored sprayed edge, top and bottom. And you can see where the dust jacket got all crumpled up there. If you hear noise, I'm sorry, that's the robot vacuum beating the crap out of the door behind me. Nice little sprayed edge here. Got some gold foil on the hardcover. Oh, and the same thing on the spine. And on the back. We've got some very nice artwork here inside the dust jacket. That jacket's a little beat up. I mean, you can see along that bottom edge a whole bunch of creases and dings, so that's a little disappointing. Got a nice design here on the end papers. And the back looks like it has the exact same thing. Not sure if this was signed. We'll review that on the spoiler card, but I'll take a look inside here. It looks like it might be a digital signature. We'll take a look and find out. Let's spoil the card back out. And it looks like we have redesigned cover, stencil sprayed edges, reverse dust jacket artwork, foiled end papers, foil artwork on the front and back of the hardcover, bonus content, digital signature. Okay, so it's a digital signature, which to me just basically means the book's not signed. So, all right, we're going to move on to the adult book. Hopefully this one's in better shape than that one. And we have the spoiler card, the adult book. Put that aside. We have a character art print, and an author letter again. You want to pause that to read it. And the book is Faebound. I've heard of this book. There's quite a few exclusive editions of this going around. This is a popular choice. And this is definitely a redesigned dust jacket. Some very nice blue edges, top and bottom. And we have a sprayed main edge here. We've got some foil on the hardcover. And on the spine, and on the back. It looks like there's a reversible dust jacket. Very nice. The dust jacket on this one got kind of crumpled up on the bottom too, you can tell. Oh well. It's not nearly enough to ask for a replacement, so I wouldn't even bother. Very nice jacket, though. We have, looks like, signed end papers. And we got a little different image here on the back. And since we already saw the signature on the end papers, I think that's going to be it for this one. We'll take a little look here at the spoiler card and make sure we saw everything. Let's see. Exclusive cover, foil design, front and back of the hardcover, digital sprayed edge, character artwork on the end papers, reverse dust jacket artwork, author letter, and character print. Okay. We saw everything. Alright, that is our last unboxing for 2023. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for next year. I kept all the same subscriptions, so I'll have Illumicrate, Evernight, the Fairyloot combo subscription, and the Broken Binding. I might make a change partway through the year. We'll see what happens. But for now, we're going to continue with that. I'll see you in 2024. Thanks for watching.